Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to do your facial at home, and this require only one thing, and that is egg, guys. So this facial consists of 3 steps, and guys, the first step is applying egg white on your face. So guys, egg white has lots of protein which is albumin. It also has vitamin A and vitamin D, which when applied on your skin is going to give you a facelift effect, and it lasts up to 1 to 2 hours. It also helps in tightening up your pores and helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles when used for a prolonged period of time. Guys, if you aren't the part of family yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel now, and let's get further into the video.
So guys, first of all you'll be needing an egg, and after that you need to break the egg very carefully, as we need to separate the egg yolk and egg white. And once you do that, make sure that you separate the egg white, and do it very carefully, guys, so that you do not mix the yolk with the white. After that, take the egg yolk in a separate bowl, and now keep stirring the egg white, as it is a mass of chunk and it cannot be applied on face. So I'm giving it complete little stirs so that it can change its consistency, and this is the consistency we require, guys. The first step is applying egg white on face. So here I have taken the mixture, I have taken a brush, and slowly I am going to cover my entire face with this. And you can even apply it under your eyes and over your eyes as well, because this helps in removing the puff. And also apply it on your neck, and then leave it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, guys, you are going to notice that your skin is entirely stretched, and this is the right time to wash it. I have washed my face, guys, and now I'm going to pat it dry using a clean towel. Step 2 is applying egg yolk.
Second step is applying egg yolk on your face, and guys, egg yolk has lots and lots of fat. It has water binding agent which helps in locking the moisturization in your skin cells and helps in making it soft and supple. It also has so many other properties which is going to treat the issue of dry and flaky skin.
Again, guys, I'm going to follow the same procedure. I'm going to cover my entire face using this mixture. And apply it over your eyes, because this is going to provide them good moisturization as well. And after 10 minutes, guys, I have washed my face, and then I'm going to pat it dry. And guys, I'm noticing how this is brightening up my skin, and this is really making a difference, and I hope that you can even make it out. And the third step is ice pack, guys.
The last step is applying ice on your face, and guys, applying ice has lots and lots of benefits. It helps in removing the acne scars, and it also helps in breaking the whiteheads and blackheads. Therefore, this entire facial is going to give you a beautiful, moisturized and radiant skin.
So here I am taking the yellow ice cubes I created few days back, and these ice cubes are going to work same, but it has additional benefit, guys. And this has turmeric as well, so I'm going to apply it on my skin everywhere. And after that, I'm going to massage the turmeric on my face, as turmeric has skin lightening and brightening properties. And even if you are using simple ice, that is going to work equally good, guys. And if you want to make your own yellow ice cubes, I'm going to leave in the description box below. And guys, I am amazed at how this has brightened up my skin, and this has really made my skin a lot more brighter, I must say, and supple as well.
Step is moisturizing your skin with a good moisturizer, and here I'll be using Johnson & Johnson moisturizer because it is rich in vitamin E and it is extremely supple on your skin and face.
And here I'm lathing my skin with a thick moisturizer, and I'm going to apply it on my skin so that my skin can be moisturized and it can further take all the vitamins and nutrients this cream has. And guys, I'm really amazed at how beautifully it has brightened up my skin, and I hope that you are able to see the difference on camera, and that is what I'm trying to show here. And this is all, guys.
So guys, this is it for this video, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel now and click on that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any video from my channel. To follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below and somewhere after this page. So guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. To 2 hours, and it also helps in tightening up your pores and making your skin firm and hence delaying aging. So guys, the first step is applying egg yolk on your face.